Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. Time to talk TWEAKS. For those who already jailbreak their devices on iOS 13, 13.5, 13.7, even iOS 14 up to 14.1, and also iOS 14.2. Those Cydia tweaks will be for you. So before I'm gonna start today's video, let me asking you guys to give the video a big thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified always whenever I release a new Cydia tweaks video. Okay, so let's go ahead right now to start talking about the first one, and the first one will be named Amd Circlizer. This is once you want to listen for your audio, you want to see your audio in your lock screen. This is what the tweak it's all about, so you can take a look right now. I have one of the audio. If I want to press on play, going right now on my lock screen here to showing you guys this is the style of the lock screen. After you download the Circlizer, will be giving you that effect in your audio in your lock screen, just like that, and you will be able to colorize the style of that circle in your audio, or if you want to listening for your audio. Anyway, so once you download that tweak, go ahead first of all and enable the tweak. You have more than section. The one of the section, if you want to coloring the mode, you can use the automatic or the custom. The custom will be giving you the chance if you want to color that circle, or if you want to fill that circle, which is the one that I shown you guys. You can toggle untoggle data switch the number of the points here, so you can choose that with the slider underneath. The smooth edges, if you want to bring those, you can toggle the switch from in there, and you have the disable on the wallpaper and other customized stuff, which is comes here. So if you want to tap on it, will be giving you some design. If you want to adjust those with the sliders, even the position or the size of that circle in your lock screen, you can custom that position by switching the first switch at the top here. The last section will be giving you, if you want one of the options, if you want to disable the auto posing here, if you want to switch that on. So if you want to make any kind of changes, you know already, you need to make sure to tap on the apply to apply all the changes and save everything, and you will be good to go the way that I showing you guys. If I want to go ahead right now and tap on my music here, so if I play the music, going back into my screen or my lock screen here, this is the style of that tweak, how it's gonna be looks like once you download it in your jailbroken device. Once again guys, this one will be called the Circlizer. Let's move on right now to talking about the other Cydia tweak, and the other one will be called the SaverB. You can see what the tweak will be provided with, but this is gonna be for your battery. So for example, will be disable your Wi-Fi. Not always will be your Wi-Fi working on your background. The other thing will be didn't update some of the application that you open in your switcher. Will be that week will be stop that, and some other things will be drain your battery. That week will be stop all of those things to save some of the juice or some of the battery in your iPhone and different kind of stuff. You can read those once you download the tweak. So this is what basically the tweak will be provided with. You guys can take a look if you guys talking about what is the things that or customized stuff comes with that tweak. There is nothing to configure. Just go ahead once you download the tweak. After that, you need to go and navigate to under the settings, just enable the tweak, reset your device, and you will be good to go. And this is how the tweak will be working. So if you guys looking to download this one will be called the SaverB. Let's go ahead right now to jump and talking about the other Cydia tweak, and let me go ahead right now and talking about the Flowic. So once you download the tweak, that tweak will be giving you a nice and a beautiful playing your audio. Let me just showing you guys so you guys can understand everything. So this is one of the video or your audio that you listen for, one of your music. If I tap on a play here, you guys can take a look. This is the smallest. The player will be came with that tweak after you download it, and even you can just tap and hold. You can put that anywhere you would like to, just like that. Force touch on it will be bring back the things that you're looking for, or your music where you stop and something like that. There is a lot of and different kind of customized stuff comes with that tweak once you download the tweak. So the first thing, go ahead and enable the tweak. You have the blacklisted apps. So this is, if you tap on it, will be bring some of the application you have that you looking for. So you can run this one with your, for example, your videos, your audio, any other application running the your music or the music that you listen for. So you can toggle and toggle those from here. Hide the widget in the apps. So you don't like to see that widget once you're listening for your music inside any kind of specific app. You can toggle that from near, and also the widget blur style. So it comes with different kind of style, comes with the light, comes with the dark, and it comes with the extra light. So you can choose the one that you're looking for from near. This is the style, and also comes with a custom corner reduce. You can switch that on, and then you can play with the slider underneath. Also, we have another thing. If you want to hide that looking on the lock screen, you can toggle that from in here, and this is how is that tweak will be looks like once you download it in your jailbroken device. This is some of the things that comes with that tweak after you download it, and you guys can take a look how is that will be. If you want to launch your music, tap on play. This is will be pop up. Let me show you guys. If I want to go to multitasking here, kill that. This is will be gone right away. If I want to go back right now into my music and tap and play one of the music right away, this is will be pop at the top here, and then you can uh, control every single thing from that manual or that bar, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, once again guys, this one will be called the Flowic. Let me go ahead right now and move to talking about the other one, and the other one will be called the ColorMyHome. This is gonna be for your home bar, and this is gonna be only show up in your lock screen. It's not gonna be show up on any other application or any other things, and even in your home screen. Let me show you guys what I mean here after just explaining some of the things under the settings here. So once you download the tweak, go ahead, enable the tweak, the home color, go ahead and choose your favorite color. Once you're done, just tap on the apply at the top here, and then you guys can take a look what kind of color that I choose. So I choose the orange one. If I want to go right now into my lock screen here, you can take a look. This is the home bar. Only the home bar that I have on my lock screen will be colorize the home bar just like that. If you navigate to the springboard, if you navigate to anywhere, you can take a look. It's not working, only working on the lock screen, and this is what I mean about that. So this is the some of the things comes with that tweak, and this is what pretty much the tweak will be provide you with. It will be colorized, make you to color your home bar in your lock screen just like that. Simple is that. Once again guys, this one will be called ColorMyHome. Moving right now to talking about the other one, and the other one I have a new widget to share with you guys, and this one will be called the Springboard or the SBDADA33. If I want to tap on it right now here, you guys can take a look how is that style will be looks like. It will be bring the temperature, it will be bring the date and time, it will be bring the how much battery you have in your iPhone and something like that. This is how it's gonna be the collection of that comes together in just one single widget. If I go ahead right now and tap on the settings of that widget, it comes with different kind of things. One of them is going to be the icon set. If you want to play with that 24 hours, if you want to switch and switch that, the refresh as well, and some other thing such as like the charging color. So you will be able to tap here and change that, and the other thing which is gonna be the default color, so you can tap on it, and if you want to change it, if you have any other color code, you can just add that in here and tap on save. This will be bring or change some of the things that if you want to change in that widget just like that. So once again, guys, if you guys looking to bring this one into your iPhone, this one will be called the SBDADA33. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you like the video, make sure to give the video a big thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you will be notified always whenever I release a new Cydia tweaks video. Catch you with the next one. Peace out.